Can you delete your Facebook account permanently without password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can delete our Facebook account without password. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Facebook. So open up your Facebook here. And after you do that, head over to the menu section. After you're on the menu section, tap on the gear icon on the top right. Tap on it, and after you do that, what you'll need to do is head over to Meta Accounts Center. So tap on that, and now if you scroll down, you should see your personal details, your information and permissions. Head over to Personal Details. Now after you're here, you will find Account Ownership and Control. So tap on that, and there you should see deactivation or deletion of your account. So tap on that, tap on deletion or deactivation, choose your account if your account is linked to your Instagram too, and after you're here, simply select the delete account option. Now all you now need to do is tap on continue, but after doing that, you will need to type in your password. So you will see after you head over to the delete option, there is an option where you need to type in your password. So there is no way around it unless you head over to your Facebook account and then report your account as a fake. Now for that, there is a really long process. So this is the easiest way. All you need to do is head over to the forgot password option, recover your password and hit your password here and then delete your account. So I hope this answers your question that we cannot actually delete our Facebook account permanently without having a password. So yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and